Hello dear students, I am Mrs. Shubham Rajesh Patil. Welcome you for studying P block elements. In the P block elements, the differentiating electron, that is the last filling electron, enters the p orbital of the outermost shell. Since maximum of 6 electrons can be accommodated in p subshell, it gives rise to groups 13 to 18 in the P block. So there are in all these 6 groups which you can see in the periodic table on extreme right hand side. Group number 13 to 18, these are all P block elements. In this chapter we are going to study about the elements in group 16, 17 and 18. Let's see occurrence of those elements. The elements oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium constitute group 16 called the oxygen family. They are also called chalcogenes or ore forming elements. You can see those elements in this diagram. Oxygen is the most abundant of all the elements on Earth. It forms 20.95% by volume of air and about 46.6% by mass of Earth's crust. Sulfur forms 0.034% by mass of the Earth crust. It occurs mainly in combined forms as sulfates such as gypsum CaSO4 2H2O, Epsom salt MgSO4 7H2O, barite BaSO4. It occurs in the form of sulfides such as galena PbAs, zinc blende ZnAs, copper pyrite CuFeS2. Selenium and tellurium are also found as metal selenides and tellurides in sulfide ores. Polonium, which is radioactive, is a decay product of thorium and uranium. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and acetine constitute group 17. These are collectively known as halogens. In Greek language, halo means salt, gene means bond, that is, salt producing element. Halogens are very reactive due to high electronegativities and hence they are not found in free state. You can see those halogens in this picture: fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Fluorine occurs mainly as insoluble fluorides, fluorspar CaF2, cryolite Na3AlF6, fluorapatite 3Ca3PO4 twice CaF2. Small quantities are present in soil, freshwater plants, and bones and teeth of animals. Seawater contains chlorides, bromides, iodides of sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. However, it mainly contains NaCl 2.5% by mass. The deposits of dried up seabeds contain sodium chloride and carnallite, that is KCl, MgCl2, 6H2O. Marine life also contains iodine in their systems. For example, seaweeds contain up to 0.5% iodine. Jelly saltpeter contains up to 0.2% of sodium iodate. Astatine, the last member of halogen family, is radioactive and has half-life of 8.1 hours. The elements helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon constitute the group 18. All the noble gases except radon occur in the atmosphere. Their abundance in dry air is around 1% by volume, with argon as the major constituent. The main commercial source of helium is natural gas. Helium and neon are found in minerals of radioactive origin, for example, pitchblende, monazite, cleveite, etc. Xenon and radon are the rarest elements of the group. Radon is a decay product of 226 radium. Let's see electronic configuration of elements of group 16, 17 and 18. For group 16, general electronic configuration is Ns2, Np4. Thus, they require 2 electrons for completing the octet and to achieve stable electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas. Whereas for group 17, the general electronic configuration is Ns2np5 and they need only one electron to complete the octet, and thus they will achieve the configuration of nearest inert gas by accepting one electron. Coming to the group 18, we get the general electronic configuration as Ns2np6, where octet is already completed and no electron is required to complete the stable electronic configuration. So noble gases have already achieved the configuration of the stability. Let's see condensed electronic configuration of elements of group 16, 17 and 18. If you will observe, each of oxygen family member has Ns2np4 electrons in their outermost shell. Group 17 members, they have Ns2np5 electrons in the outermost shell, whereas group 18 members, except helium, they have Ns2np6 configuration in their outermost shell. So condensed electronic configuration can be easily studied through this table. Now let's see some of the properties of elements of 16, 17 and 18th group. The properties are either atomic properties or physical properties. Under atomic properties, we have atomic and ionic radii. In group 16, 17 and 18 elements, atomic and ionic radii increases down the group as a result of increase in the number of quantum shells. Across a period, atomic and ionic radii decrease with increasing atomic number, consequent to increase in the Z effective, that is effective nuclear charge. So as we move down the group, you can see in this diagram, as we are going down the group, the number of shells are increasing. As a result, the atomic size will increase. It happens for all 16, 17 and 18 groups member. Group 17 elements halogens have the smallest atomic and ionic radii in their respective periods. The next atomic property is ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy is the amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bounded electron, that is, the electron which is present in the outermost shell of the isolated gaseous atom. So the group 16, 17, 18 elements have very high ionization enthalpies. Ionization enthalpy decreases down the group due to increase in the atomic size. Across a period, ionization enthalpy increases with increase of atomic number. This is due to addition of electrons in the same shell. So you can see over here the atom of fluorine, which already have 7 electrons in the outermost shell, and hence removal of one of the electron will require very high amount of energy, and that results in very high ionization enthalpy value for fluorine. However, the elements of group 16 have lower ionization enthalpy values as compared to those of 15. This happens because of their half-filled electronic configuration, which is comparatively stable. Electronegativity. In the group 16, 17, 18, the electronegativity decreases down the group. So oxygen has the highest electronegativity next to fluorine among all the elements. Halogens are highly electronegative and fluorine is the most electronegative element in the periodic table. Electron gain enthalpy. In the group 16 and 17, electron gain enthalpy becomes less negative down the group. You can see it in this picture as we are adding one extra electron. The going down group 17, strength of nucleus to attract the electron is decreasing. This is due to small size of fluorine atoms that in group 17 fluorine has less negative electron gain enthalpy than that of chlorine. Group 18 elements, these are already noble gases and have no tendency to accept electron because of their stable electronic configuration and thus have large positive electron gain enthalpy. Now let's consider physical properties of group 16, 17 and 18 elements. Group 16 elements, oxygen family or chalcogenes. Oxygen is gas while other elements are solids at room temperature. Oxygen and sulfur are non-metals, selenium and tellurium are metalloids while polonium is a metal. Polonium is radioactive with its half-life of 13.8 days. Melting and boiling points increases with increase in the atomic number and all the elements of group 16 exhibit allotropy. Group 17 elements are halogen family. Fluorine, chlorine are gases. You can see those gases enclosed in those containers. Bromine is liquid and iodine is solid at room temperature. Fluorine is yellow, chlorine is greenish yellow. Just see in this picture, bromine is red in color and iodine is violet in color. Fluorine and chlorine react with water. Bromine and iodine are only sparingly soluble in water and are soluble in various organic solvents such as chloroform, carbon disulfide, carbon tetrachloride, hydrocarbons, which gives colored solutions. Bond dissociation enthalpy for halogen molecules follow the order greatest for chlorine Cl2 molecule, then bromine Br2 molecule, fluorine F2 molecule and minimum bond enthalpy is found with iodine I2 molecule. So iodine-iodine bond can be broken easily as compared to fluorine-fluorine bond. Group 18 elements are noble gases. They are monoatomic, they are sparingly soluble in water, they have very low melting and boiling points. Just consider the example of helium, which has lowest boiling point 4.2 Kelvin of any of known substances. You can see all those noble gases in the picture. And we'll proceed with the anomalous behavior of oxygen. That stands for oxygen is behaving in some different manner as compared to the other elements which are present in the same group. So oxygen shows following anomalous properties compared to the other members of group 16. Atomicity of oxygen is 2. So it is diatomic molecule because oxygen is existing as O2 molecule while others are polyatomic molecules. For example, phosphorus exists as P4 molecule, sulfur exists as S8 molecule. Magnetic properties of oxygen are different. Oxygen is paramagnetic while the other members of group 16 are diamagnetic in nature. Then oxidation state for oxygen is -2, -1 in peroxide or even +2. While other elements will show -2, +2, +4, +6 higher oxidation states also. Oxygen cannot exhibit higher oxidation state due to absence of vacant d orbitals. Nature of hydrides for oxygen, that is water, is different. Water is liquid at room temperature while hydrides of other members of group 16 are in the gaseous state. Common covalency of oxygen is 2. In rare cases it is 4. But for other members of group 16, covalency can exceed 4. The anomalous behavior of oxygen is due to following reasons. Its small atomic size as compared to other members of group 16, its high electronegativity value and absence of inner d orbitals. These three reasons make oxygen different from the family of oxygen. In the same way, fluorine shows anomalous behavior among halogens. Fluorine is the first member of group 17. It differs in the properties from the other members of the group as ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, electrode potential are all higher for fluorine as compared to the other halogens. ionic and covalent radii, melting boiling points, electron gain enthalpy are quite lower than expected for fluorine. Most of the reactions for fluorine are exothermic due to the short and strong bond formed by it with other elements. It forms only one oxo acid, that is HOF, while other halogens form a number of oxo acids. Hydrogen fluoride is a liquid, boiling point 293 Kelvin due to strong hydrogen bonding. While other hydrogen halides like HCl, HBr, they are existing in the gaseous state. The anomalous behavior of fluorine is due to following reasons. Its atomic size is smaller as compared to other halogens. It has high electronegativity value, absence of d orbitals in valence shell, and low fluorine-fluorine bond dissociation enthalpy. So these are the reasons for anomalous behavior of fluorine among halogens. So I thank you all for being with me. Have a nice time. Stay at home and stay safe.